wheels roll slow down the Meridian road. Nothing but echoes in the place I once called home. The church bell's rusted door hangs low. Wind hums hymns only the dead would know. Boot prints fade where the outlaws bled, and every shadow's got a hunger for the things I left unsaid. I hear whispers in the static of the night, calling my name like they got every right. In the ghost town Meridian, the past don't sleep, it drags you down where the secrets keep. There's a grave for every promise I failed to defend, and the road always leads me back again. Yeah, ghost town Meridian, don't forgive sin. It just waits till you wander in. That old saloon's got a broken neon grin, cards still scattered from the last fool who cashed in. The sheriff's star lies bent in the sand, like justice died with the bones of a man. And the wells run dry, but the whispers rise, like the whole damn place still breathes with 1,000 eyes. The dust tastes bitter as the memories bite, and I see my younger self in the edge of the night. In the ghost town Meridian, the past don't sleep, it drags you down where the secrets keep. There's a grave for every promise I failed to defend, and the road always leads me back again. Yeah, ghost town Meridian, don't forgive sin. It just waits till you wander in. I left a piece of my soul buried in that dirt, under a sky that don't care who it hurts. Now the wind calls out with a voice like mine, saying, boy, you can't outrun what you left behind. Ghost town Meridian, here I stand, just a worn down sinner on cursed land, where the ghosts of my past circle like carrion. The night brings every one of them on. In ghost town Meridian, the end feels near, but hell, I think I've always lived here.